In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the paper loading error in your Xerox laser printer. So we can see there is a red light flashing here and it says there is a paper loading error. For that, first we have to remove the paper. So we can take the paper tray out. Now we can extend the paper tray. For example, if you are using a letter size, so it must be like that. So that goes completely in. Now you can adjust the size with it. Let's install it. Now go to the printer display panel. On the printer display panel, press OK button. Printer is working normally. That means we have successfully loaded the paper and we have just corrected the error. Thanks for watching.